watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to Farmhouse Vases that are simply stunning, where we explore charming vase ideas to elevate your home decor. Discover creative ways to incorporate rustic elegance into your space with these timeless farmhouse vases. Wide-mouth ceramic vases. Dual-tone ceramic vases add sophistication to any table. Repurpose kitchen canisters for a similar look. Farmhouse vases with antique charm. Transform thrift store vases with spray paint for vintage allure. Try DIY mercury glass for an elegant touch. DIY chunky farmhouse vase. Create restoration hardware vibes with a thrift store vase and paint. Affordable elegance for your farmhouse decor. Milk glass vase collection. Curate a cohesive vintage collection with milk glass vases. Mix nostalgia with minimalism for timeless charm. The classy couple. Upcycled glass jugs evoke classic farmhouse elegance. Simple yet charming tabletop decor. Farmhouse tablescape with teal vase. Add a pop of color with a ceramic vase. Teal hues bring vibrancy to your farmhouse decor. Romance is in the air. Soft glass vase with roses exudes dreamy romance. Perfect centerpiece for an intimate dinner or everyday elegance. White pitcher vase for farmhouse decor. Repurpose a pitcher for a stunning farmhouse display. Think outside the box for unique vase ideas. Ray Dunn vase. Minimalist charm with a touch of typography. A conversation piece for your farmhouse decor. Metal bucket flower vase. White bucket filled with flowers adds contemporary flair. Fresh and modern centerpiece for your farmhouse table. Black farmhouse vase centerpiece. Groot glass vases for triple the charm. Perfect for filling out large spaces like farmhouse tables. Mix varying sizes and shapes for a cohesive look. Rainbow of colors. Embrace a spectrum of hues with a collection of colorful vases. Add vibrancy to your farmhouse decor. Mix and match for a playful touch. Blue and white delight. Delightful ceramic collection adds a touch of blue to your farmhouse decor. Mix and match for visual interest. Perfect for a fresh and airy ambience. A fishy situation. Bring whimsy to your farmhouse decor with fish-shaped vases. playful and unexpected accents for any room. Infuse personality into your space. Farmhouse vase in entryway. Welcome guests with a vase overflowing with flowers. Instantly update your farmhouse entryway with warmth and charm. Simple yet inviting decor. Wood table style. Showcase vases on lower shelves for added visual interest. Elevate your farmhouse decor with rustic wood accents. Create depth and texture in your space. Mudroom magic. Add warmth to your farmhouse mudroom with a gleaming glass vase. Colored vases shine in sunny areas. Enhance your space with simple yet striking decor. Cheap ceramic to rustic rock star. Transform inexpensive ceramics into rustic treasures. Branches add a touch of nature to your farmhouse kitchen. Budget-friendly decor with a farmhouse flair. White distressed farmhouse vase. Embrace the charm of distressed metal vases. Rustic elegance for your farmhouse decor. Add character and warmth to any room. Lilacs in bloom. Celebrate spring with a vase filled with blooming lilacs. Bring the beauty of the outdoors inside. Create a refreshing ambience in your farmhouse decor. Elevate your farmhouse decor with these simply stunning vase ideas. Whether it's vintage charm or modern elegance, these vases bring warmth and character to any space. Let simplicity be the hallmark of your farmhouse style.